In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best titanium knives available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best titanium knives, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Titanium Knives. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Civivai Baby Banter Knife. Designed by Ben Peterson. Tough drop point Nitro V blade. Comfortable textured G10 handle. Dual titanium thumb stud opener. Caged ceramic ball bearing pivot. Nested liner lock mechanism. Reversible deep carry pocket clip and a lanyard hole for EDC. Lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship. Well made and heavy duty. Versatile and performs several tasks. Number 4. Samir HY002 Flipper Knife. This is super micro tiny fidget friendly flipper knife. 100% sturdy 6AI4V titanium wire cut handle and razor sharp VG10 Damasteel drop point blade offers superb edge qualities and rust resistance. Frame lock holds blade safely open and close. Flipper and brass washer give smooth and fast one-hand deployment. 1.3-inch VG10 Damascus blade. 1.97-inch 6AI4V titanium handle. Number 3. ProMate Scuba Titanium Knife. Titanium blade with easy grip rubber molded handle with sheath and adjustable straps. Requires little or no maintenance. Lightweight. Titanium hammer on handle bottom. Package may come with generic box. Shall you have any question? Please don't hesitate to contact us. Durable impact resistant ABS plastic sheath and ergonomic rubber grip handle designed for professional scuba divers and snorkelers. 4 3/8 blade is armed with straight edge, serrated edge to cut rope. Number 2. Kaiser Cutlery Baglighter Knife. 3.54-inch CPMS 35VN blade features excellent toughness, edge retention, and wear and corrosion resistance. The handle is made from titanium with a blue pivot collar. CPMS 35VN steel blade with a hollow grind, making it an excellent choice for everyday carry tasks. A milled titanium pocket clip for convenient everyday carry. Hidden stop pin, giving the knife a clean aesthetic with a solid lock-up. Ball bearing pivot to ensure a quick, responsive opening. Number 1. Kershaw Cryo 2 Pocket Knife. Designed in a collaboration with Custom Knife Maker. Functional, durable, affordable 8CR13 MOV stainless steel drop point blade keeps its sharp edge, is corrosion resistant and contains more carbons for hardness, strength and wear-resistant qualities. Pure stainless steel coated with matte gray titanium carbonitride, contoured 410 steel handle scales. Speed-safe assisted opening for quick, fast, easy, safe, secure, one-handed blade deployment. High-performance steel.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.